Welcome back. I hope you're feeling awesome. As a part of this video, we'll introduce you to different data warehouse schemas. First of all, what is schema? You would have heard this term multiple times, right? So what is schema? Can you just recollect? Schema is a framework. What kind of a framework? It is an analytical framework that helps to organize and interpret the information. It's a generic definition of a schema. Schema is nothing but a framework that helps to organize and interpret the information. But when we come back to the data, schema related to the data defines how the data is organized and how the relations among the different sets of data are associated. Let us understand the schema and data warehouse. Before we really get there, what is schema in database? Database schema is nothing but a blueprint of a database which describes how the data relate to each other in different tables or in different data models. Then what is schema in data warehouse? It is just an extension of that. Data warehouse schema is a blueprint of how data will be stored and managed in a data warehouse. Again, we are talking about how are we storing the data? How are we managing the data which is there in the data warehouse? So that will be indicated by a data warehouse schema. One more way of looking at is data warehouse schema is nothing but an organization of how the data is stored and how it relates to other data within a data warehouse. If I ask you a fundamental question, how the data is stored in data warehouse? We already covered that as a part of our previous video. If you recollect, the data is stored as fact and dimension tables in data warehouse. And what did we understand as a data warehouse schema? Data warehouse schema is nothing but how the data is stored and it relates to the other data within the data warehouse. Now that we are saying data is stored in fact and dimension tables, data warehouse schema is nothing but how the fact and dimension tables are arranged. Based on how the fact and dimension tables are arranged, we have different types of schema in data warehouse, and they are first and foremost is star schema. The second one being snowflake schema. Third one is fact constellation schema. We'll understand all of them one by one in our subsequent videos. Thank you.